Health and social care placements. Work placements are a great way to gain a better understanding of the health and social care sector and can provide you with valuable experience when applying for future job opportunities or qualifications and courses. They can provide the opportunity to explore different career pathways and help you to make informed choices about your future career. They can provide the opportunity to develop your skills and put classroom learning into practice, helping to build your confidence. They can boost your future employment opportunities and provide the opportunity for you to share your skills and knowledge. Most importantly, they can provide the opportunity for you to make a real, positive difference to someone's day. Preparing for your work placement. It's a good idea to find out a little bit about the setting, what it does, who it supports, where it's located, as well as your expected start and finish times. You might want to consider and plan your journey to and from your work placement. While on placement, you will be allocated a mentor. That is, someone who will be able to provide you with support and guidance. It might be a good idea to phone and speak to your mentor a few days before your placement, as they will be able to answer any questions you might have. It is recommended that you familiarise yourself with Social Care Wales's Code of Professional Practice. The code plays a key part in raising awareness of the standards of conduct and practice that are expected of the profession. Knowing about the code will not only help you during your placement, but also when you apply for job opportunities in the future. How to get the most out of your work placement. Please be reliable and be on time. Wear appropriate clothing. Keep jewellery to a minimum, wear sensible shoes. Follow health and safety rules and guidance. Familiarise yourself with the safeguarding policy. This will make it clear what the setting you're placed with does to keep the people it supports safe from abuse and neglect. Follow infection prevention and control measures, such as wearing protective clothing, like gloves, aprons, and masks as and when required. Respect confidential information. Do not share this with anyone outside the setting or via social media. Don't worry, all these things will be discussed with you on day one of your placement. Remember that no one will expect you to remember and know everything. Make the most of your mentor and other members of staff. They will be happy to answer any questions and provide advice and guidance. If you have any problems with your placement, then speak to your mentor or someone at your college, school or traineeship. They will be able to help iron out any problems. If you cannot attend the placement for any reason, make sure you let your mentor or the manager of the setting know. A work placement really is a fantastic opportunity, so please make the most of it. You will meet and support some wonderful people. Remember that simply taking the time to talk and listen to people can often make their day.